Hi everyone, Nick Smith here. I've got a short feature that I want to talk about to do with version 2 of Lighting Reality. Um, it's tied up with a feature that we used to have in version 1.8, which was previously in the DXF DWG menu, which was the reload function. Now, originally this sat in the DXF DWG menu, and if you wanted to reload the drawing or do a force reload from the original location, you selected that, and it would force that drawing to be reloaded. Now, a number of people have contacted us and said, "Hey, we found that really useful. Can you put it back in again?" We haven't actually removed it. We've actually just put it somewhere else, and it's tied in with the DWG properties. One of the things that some people have asked about is I've got a drawing loaded into Lighting Reality, but I'm not actually sure what the file is I've actually loaded or whether it's the latest version. So how do I actually know what it is? So we included this DWG properties option, and what that will then do is it will tell you the location of the file and where it's actually loaded from, so that you can then go check if that's the latest version and so on and so forth. Or alternatively, you can use the reload button, which is down in the bottom here. By selecting that, that will force the drawing to reload from its original location, and not from the project file that you've just originally loaded it from. So one of the things I should point out at this point as well is that sometimes you may find that the reload button is actually grayed out. The reason for that is that the drawing does not exist in the location where it originally came from. This is from the internal drive of the computer in this case. So if the drawing, if the reload button is grayed out, that means the drawing doesn't exist, and you'll have to manually go and find out where that actually is. So, but you will know the location of where it was originally stored to. So I hope you found that useful. And thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please drop us an email to support@lightingreality.com, or you can contact me directly, support@nicksmithassociates.com. You can tweet us at lightingreality, or me directly at nicksmith1246 on Twitter. You can also pick us up on LinkedIn. We have a LinkedIn channel now, and of course you can subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below. And please, if you like the video, can you also click the like button? It helps us with our rankings within Google. So thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.